Question: who suggests the five kingdom of classification? Answer: Whitaker. Next question: living organisms differ in answer shape, form, size, and habit. Next question: respiration occurs through organs like gills, book lungs, and triangular system found in phylum. Answer: Arthropoda. Next question: read the given statements and select the option with the correct statement. Answer: mosses and lichen are the first organism. Next question: the main plant body in bryophytes in gamophyte, whereas in petrophytes it is saprophyte. Next question. Next statement is gymnosperm, the male and female gametophore are present with spirogyia located to spirophyte. Question: Prothallus is gemophyte of answer Petridophyte 2. Next question: which are sensory organ in Phylum Orthopoda? Answer: simple and compound eye. Second, statocast or balance organ. And third, antennion. Next question: which gemophyte is not independent free living? Answer: penis. Next question: the gemophyte of petrophyte grow in damp, moist, and shady place because answer they needed water for fertilization of gametes formed on the gemophyte. Next question: which is correct about reproduction in arthropoda? Answer: usually dioecious, mostly oviparous, B internal fertilization, and C some exhibited parthenogenesis. Next question: which one is false about Petrodophyte? Answer: the xylem possesses vessels. Which insect is the carrier of grassy stunt pathogenic virus? Answer: Liphophorus. Next question: the scientific study of the structure of bones, skeletal elements, and microbone morphology is called answer: osteology. Next question: chlorosis is yellowing of the leaves caused due to the deficiency of answer: zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Next question: apihead, small sap-sucking insects are example of answer: vivipars. Next question: geometry and the enlarged thyroid gland are mainly diagnosed in patients which deficiency of which mineral? Answer: iodine. Next question: which statement is true for entomophagy? Answer: refer to eating insect. Next question: in which part of the respiratory system gases exchange take place? Answer: alveoli. Question: the main mode of nutrition is plants is answer: autotrophic. Next question: which structure is not the part of the insect head capsules? Answer: pronotum. Next question: cystis fibrosis and Haemophila are example of answer: hereditary disease. Next question: Chronosis, the transparent front part of the eye, is the only part in the entire human body with no dash supply. Answer: no blood supply.